Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Beverage companies launch 4 bars for Jamaica initiative. In response to the challenges faced by community bars due to COVID-19 restrictions, beverage companies Red Stripe, Pepsi, Celebration Brands and the Deno and Geddes Foundation yesterday launched a program dubbed 4 bars for Jamaica, or for the Bardem, for Jamaica. The initiative, which supports the recovery of community bars, will inject over $25 million of direct support for over 1,800 community bars by way of complimentary cases of Red Stripe and Pepsi products for restocking, the provision of masks and sanitizers courtesy of the D&G Foundation, and business-relevant training for bartenders and bar operators. The announcement is timely, following the government's recent announcement that retail bars and taverns will now be able to operate with limits on their hours and patrons. Skip Marley creates U.S. music history. Skip Marley has topped the Billboard R&B Adult chart with his collaboration Slow Down with Grammy-winning singer Her, making it the first time in almost 15 years a lead Jamaican artist has made a breakthrough on the charts. Now, the last time a Jamaican made a breakthrough on the R&B Adult chart was back in 2006 when Sean Paul charted with Keisha Cole for their collaboration Give It Up To Me. With over 44 million global streams, Slow Down has become the quickest streaming song in the Marley family history, boosting Skip Marley to 62 million global artist streams. This is not Skip Marley's first time on the Billboard charts, as back in 2017, he peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 with his collaboration with Katy Perry on the track Chained to the Rhythm. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.